What is going on? Welcome to another brand new video. So in today's video, I'm going to take you guys through a full day or a couple of days of hybrid dad. It is currently Thursday that I'm recording this video right now, and we are getting ready to go knock out a leg session. This is my hard, quote unquote, leg workout before I start my tapering. And what I would tapering for, in case you're new to the channel, I am training to run a half marathon in about 7 days or so at a pace of 1 hour and 30 minutes, which will be a PR for me. But yeah, just I take you guys through, what my day is looking like. We have a lot of training sessions that we have to go do today. We have a run that we have to do tomorrow, and on Saturday we have a 10-mile run, which is going to be my last 10 runs. So I kind of want to take you guys through how to navigate through the day, spend time with the family, process my time, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Just pull up to the gym right now, about to get after a leg session. Like I said, my last hard leg session of the week, and then because we have tapering next week. So right now it is about 12:30, and this is the only time that I have throughout the day to get after my strength training session. So to all my dads out there that are struggling on their fitness journey, other people like you, including myself, I'm like you guys, like I keep mentioning, I do have a full-time 9-to-5 corporate job. I have a coaching business. I still want to be the best that I can be. This is the time of the day that I can get after my training session. And I think the reason why I'm bringing this up is a lot of parents out there, for a lot of dads out there, that often think they cannot get after their fitness goal because they don't have enough time. You do have more time than you think of. One, do a proper analysis of what you are spending your time on throughout the day, and just carve out or try to find pockets of time, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You can do so much with less. Like I mentioned in previous video on how to get more time out of your day. I mentioned if you go in with a dedicated focused work, meaning you have a training program that's set, that you have ready to go, it's going to save you a lot of time. You can get into the gym, get in and get out, and be as effective as possible. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm practicing what I'm preaching. We have a pre-workout sipping right here, going to the gym, get after it. I'm going to take you guys with me to show you what my hamstring focused leg day look like, and yeah, it should be a spicy one. No contest. Let's get after it.
There ain't no one like, cause of you dumb or you crazy. There's no way, G. Me and my clique, we handling biz, while you and your clique just act fugazi. You couldn't persuade me to give a damn, it just don't faze me. I got my Xbox, she can't play me. Money in the text box, I get paid. We the best. We the best. No contest. We the best. We the best. No contest. For the wicked, I'm bad and I'm blessed. Put it to the test. For the rest, there ain't no contest. So what's next? Got me leveling up, I'm obsessed. I bring the fire like I'm possessed. My personnel and my clique is the best. There ain't no contest. There ain't no one like, cause of you dumb or you crazy. There's no way, G. Me and my clique, we handling biz, while you and your clique just act fugazi. You couldn't persuade me to give a damn, it just don't faze me. I got my Xbox, she can't play me. Money in the text box, I get paid. We the best. We the best. We the best. No contest. My clique is the best. We the best. We the best. We the best. No contest. My clique is the best. We the best. We the best. We the best. No contest. My clique is the best. We the best. We the best. We the best.
Just crushing legs right now, and the time currently is 1:45. So you guys can see again, I started about 1:45, actually 1:40 actually, and I just crushed that leg workout. That was awesome. The legs is nice and juicy. So again, it goes to show you can do so much more with little amount of time. So if you're out there still think, oh my God, you need 2 hours, 3 hours in the gym. I don't know who's got 3 hours in the gym, but if you think you need that kind of time in the gym, you don't. Find a time. If it's 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it's better than nothing. So now I'm gonna finish, change, head back to work because we're still on the clock. Just finished work. It's 4:30 right now. I had to leave a little bit early because I'm going to one of my favorite places to go to, and it's that time of the year. I'm not sure where you are from, but most likely a lot of you guys are watching this, especially if you live in the United States. Fall is kind of around the corner, or it's here already. So we are going to one of my favorite places to go to, the pumpkin patch with the family, all my in-laws, just to hang out, get some pumpkin, maybe carve some pumpkin later. story is 3 years ago, after my wife and I, or the family and I, went to get some family pictures done, and we were coming back, and we ordered pizza ahead of time to come pick it up. Unfortunately, we got into a car accident, and we were not able to pick the pizza up. But one of our family friends called ahead, was like, "Hey, my friends were supposed to like come over and get some pizza, but they unfortunately got into a car accident. Can you just cancel the order?" We thought that was the end of it. Everybody's okay, by the way, no issues there. But the funny thing is, the next time we tried to order pizza from this same pizza joint, I was not able to order pizza because apparently I was blocked from ordering pizza because I did not pick that order up. I just thought it was funny because who gets blocked from ordering pizza? But apparently because they thought I ordered and I did not pick up the pizza, that means I got blocked. But when my in-laws are in town, they love this pizza place, we'll try to get it for them. So I guess I am officially off the banned list. Right, good morning. So it is the next day here of last time pizza was great. So this morning I am getting ready to go to work. I just want to show you real quick what I have in terms of nutrition, because like I mentioned in previous videos, failing to plan, it means you need to prepare to fail. So what I have here is half a cup of oatmeal, and that half a cup of oatmeal with 2 scoops of protein powder, protein oatmeal. I'm a huge advocate of, and not in the past, one thing I typically start my day with is like pure protein bars. But I think lately I just want to start my day with something different. So what I've been doing in the morning is right here is Fage Greek yogurt. So I have 270 grams of Fage Greek yogurt. On top of that, I'm going to sprinkle in right here a serving of granola. And granola is one of those things where if you're not careful, you can eat a fuck ton of it. So you have to make sure you measure that out. So this is 63 grams, 69 grams measured, roughly about 7 to 8 grams of fat, I think 30 grams of carbs, and 5 grams, I think 3 to 4 grams of protein. I have to check, but roughly around that area. So I'm going to pour that on top of the oatmeal. I'm going to pour that on top of the Greek yogurt that I've mixed together, and that is going to be epic. Large apple snack that I'm going to have later. I've been loving this. So this is the veggie made great. Super awesome. This is super quick and easy. They come in this little small bite size. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. It's ready available. Macros on here is 4.5 grams of fat, 16 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein. What made that bread for you? Okay. Go on the limb and say this is not the ideal weather to train in for running or the gym. This weather just makes me want to take a nice power nap and just go to sleep. But we cannot do that right now because we're still at work and I still have a training session to do. Today's my last training session of this week. It's Friday right now, day 2. And I'm going to be training shoulders today. Training shoulders today because tomorrow we do have a 10-mile run on deck. And today I was supposed to run 3 miles today this morning, but I decided to skip that just to shake our leg again. We are in a temperate phase. So that's what we have on deck today. Heading to the gym now, and we're going to get after this shoulder workout. Right, what is going on? Good morning. Good morning. It is Saturday. It is day 3 of sort of recording. I started this vlog on Thursday. So Saturday is typically a long run for me. But today, because we are officially 1 week out from running the half marathon, we are doing our last long run. So it's going to be a 10-mile run, nice and easy, nothing crazy, no speed workout. Looking forward to that. I'm going to knock that down. It's 66 degrees, a little bit windy, but it should be a fun, easy, casual, slow run. Let's get after it. so we just finished a run. So we just finished a run. We finished 10 miles in 1 hour, 19 minutes, and 13 seconds at a pace of 7:55. One thing about motivation, you gotta, figure out whatever it takes to get you motivated. And what motivated this run is in about 8 minutes, the Travis Scott is going live on the sneaker app, and I need to make it back by 9 a.m. so I can put in for the lottery to see if I snag one. You guys will witness the joy or the disappointment with me. Let's go, man. So today's actually my wife and I's anniversary, so it's like an anniversary present to me. I rarely win. I've not win. Is it a win? I don't know. I rarely got them. But it typically have to buy them on the obviously StockX, Goat, and things like that. But yeah, I'm not a big time shoe collector, but I do like, and when I buy a pair of shoes, I wear them. I'm not one of those people, oh yeah, put it in in a nice pair of box. Like, nope, I take them out of the box. I'll wear them as they are intended to be. So, but yeah, win to start a good Saturday. So like I said, today is actually my wife and I's, wedding anniversary. So the plan for today is obviously I still got client work that I need to get done and execute and get to all my clients. And my daughter is supposed to have a soccer game today, but that got canceled. So a lot of cleaning, I'll get ready. So dinner tonight, and tomorrow we are going to a Billy Joel concert. To be fair, I am not a huge or massive Billy Joel guy, but I enjoy one or two music. So I like to sing along a little bit, so I've been practicing, not practicing, but I've been listening to a lot of Billy Joel music. But anyways, yeah, that is officially the last long run for this. I keep always saying ultra marathon prep, but I do have an ultra marathon news that I'll be sharing like another video for next year, my plan for the next year. So, but yeah, I'm super excited. Go home, shower, get the shits and stuff going, and I will catch up with you. Ooh, that's lovely. I love that, Sissy. Right, so I'm currently at the St. Louis Zoo, the Boo at the zoo. Again, it's almost October. Ooh, Cece, I love that. That's a good picture. So we are taking the family. It's something we do every year. So we're trying to knock that out. Lovely weather, 72 degrees. It's awesome. So yeah, if you're in the St. Louis area looking for some fun thing to do with your kids and family, definitely check it out. Make sure you pick the right weather too. This is gorgeous.
Libby, look. Libby. Oh, that's a good one.
So the first thing I would say is I will always mention this. This will be the number one, the most important thing, and that is planning. Plan. Yes, I know it's going to be frustrating for a lot of people, especially if you've not been doing it before. But the more you do it, the more it's going to become a second nature to you. And I'll give you an example because I know I'm going to be having dinner with my wife because of our anniversary. I'm not going to eat the same way I normally would eat on a normal day if I'm not going out with my wife later. But because I know I'm going out with my wife, I'm going to have a lot of meals. I don't want to sort of restrict myself. I'm not going to eat the same way I normally would eat, meaning I'm going to practice a lot of nutrition. I'm not going to be consuming a lot of carbs at the beginning of the day because I want to be able to at least manage that. Is that going to be perfect in terms of like being within the caloric intake that I need to take for what my particular goal is? No. But that one day it's not going to ruin you. But at the same time, you just don't want to carry it on like it's a normal day when you know well that you potentially are going to be eating a lot more than you normally would when you go out with your significant other or are on a business dinner on vacation with your family. Once you plan, now what do you do? So you're going to be having dinner with your friends, or you're going to have a business lunch. What you do is, okay, if you have, for instance, if you have 2,000 calories, and 2,000 calories is your maintenance, it's your deficit, whatever that goal is. You look ahead at the menu of where you're going to. You look at the menu of where you're going to. The next move is now to overestimate. What I mean by overestimation is, okay, if you are going to have a cheeseburger, and let's say if you look at, okay, a decent amount of cheeseburger on MyFitnessPal, and it says it's around 600, 800 calories, I would say aim for 1,000 calories. What that's going to do is, that's going to allow you to overestimate, give you a slight little maybe 200 buffer. So let's say if you potentially do eat more than 800 calories, and it's like 1,000, 1,200, you're not going to be over by so much. This is the same strategy that I use for all my clients, that I use for my clients, allow clients to go on vacation and still come back and losing weight because of this simple adjustment that they are making. And I promise you, if you use those two main strategies, you too are going to be in a place that you are going to be able to balance social life and, you know, go and work dinners and still be on top of your fitness goal. Yes, the frequency at which you want to do this, you want to limit this as much as you can. But if you have the control within your hands, at least you want to choose a macro-friendly restaurants you want to go to, restaurant that might have some vegetables, some, you know, lean protein sources at your disposal. And if you don't have those options, always going to look for less fried, more food with less trace macros involved. Going out to eat with your family or significant other doesn't have to be something that's so complex that you have to complicate. Keep it simple. Plan ahead. Even though you go over the calories that you want for that day, that one day is not going to ruin your progress by any means. Just get back to what you were doing the day before, and I guarantee you, you will continue to make progress. That's the video for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you enjoyed this video talking about how you can gain 3 hours back in your day by just doing a better job at planning. This is SAMOKFIT, and I will see you guys in the next one.